Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 12th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Check out the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the pound dollar and some of the other dollar pairs are moving pretty strong today. Now, I started off on the daily time frame because I want to explain the two options. Option number one is that we're now in a pullback to the last move up right here, and we're going to go down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and then end up continuing the uptrend. Option number two is that this really is a complete five waves of one, and we are now in a wave two. If this really is a wave two, then a wave two will take out the low of wave four before it continues the uptrend because that's what a wave two normally does. So it's just a difference between a smaller pullback and a much bigger pullback if it's a wave two pullback. So anyways, going all the way down to like the 1 hour time frame, I would definitely, if I zoom out, I would definitely expect to see, maybe a 38, 50, 61% pullback. I really don't know what's Fibonacci level is going to hold, but I do think that we will be able to recognize it when it does get to a Fibonacci level that holds. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short at the end of a big old giant candle like that, but I definitely would be looking for shorts right now on pullbacks. So as of right now, for me, the only strategy is to be patiently waiting for another pullback to go short for the continuation of the downtrend, whether it happens now like that or whether it just keeps on pushing down and then later on makes another pullback. I don't know. I just know that when it does make a pullback, that will be my opportunity to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.